50 pesos. First question is, how many legs does a spider have?
6.
What's your final answer?
8.
Correct! For 100 pesos, take it or risk it.
Okay.
What is the capital city of New Zealand?
Qatar! Wellington. Wellington.
Final answer?
Final answer.
Correct! For 150 pesos, take it or risk it.
Risk it.
Which planet has the most moons?
Ay, Mars. Jupiter?
Is that your final answer?
Saturn.
Correct! Take it or risk it.
Risk it.
In which country did the Olympic Games originate? No?
Grace.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Correct! 300 pesos, take it or risk it.
Risk it.
Who discovered penicillin? Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Correct! Congratulations!
Please like, share, and follow Barbie Seco TV. Thank you.